Dogs hate vegetables. Because at number 4, I don't think he likes pickles.
It's a pickle!
Number 3, he doesn't want to eat it anymore.
Want broccoli? Broccoli. You want cheese?
Number 2, it belongs in the trash can.
Bella, do you like celery?
Before we get to number 1, like and subscribe if dogs make your day better, and if you don't, well, that's basically saying you hate puppies. Drop a heart in the comments if you love dogs. And number 1, he doesn't like his meal.